In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add notes fields in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to Glide. Once the page loads, click the Login button to access your account. After you're logged in, open the specific app you want to edit. Now take a moment to consider where you want your users to be able to write or save notes. This functionality is incredibly useful for many types of apps like CRMs, project trackers, customer portals, or task management applications. To begin adding the Notes feature, click the plus icon next to Add in the navigation menu. Next, you'll need to choose a data source table for this new menu item. On the right sidebar, select a layout style that best suits your app's design. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Add Component. Scroll down through the extensive list of available components until you find the Notes component. Click on it, and the Notes component will be added to your screen. Now, with the Notes component in place, let's configure it. On the right sidebar, under the Data section, you'll need to choose the column where your notes will be stored. If you haven't already created a specific column for notes in your data table, you'll need to do that first. Make sure the column type is set to text. Then, under Label, enter a clear and concise name for this Notes field, such as Notes or Details. Next, configure the action for the Notes component. Some common and useful actions you might choose include saving changes automatically, opening a detail screen, editing the record, or updating a specific row. It's important to make sure that the Notes component is easily accessible and intuitive for your users to interact with. Once you've set up the component and its actions, double-check the content and layout to ensure everything looks and functions as you intended. Make any necessary adjustments to refine the user experience. Finally, click the Publish button located in the top right corner of your screen. After publishing, your users will now be able to create, edit, and manage notes directly within your Glide app. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.